Quick ways to 10K a month as a real estate agent. Now, my focus is truly on sellers. Number one, do you know the median sales price in the area you work in? Number two, what is the best house to sell in your area? So if I were to go back to Bellwood, typically a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, and then we now know median sales price is around 246. Then you're going to look at how many homes will it take you to get to the 10K a month in that area. And of course, compensation is based on your brokerage. Once you know that number, you will realize how quickly you can get to 10K a month. If you're like, you know what, Carrie, I want to get started, check out this video that I created called How Many Homes Do I Need to Make 100K a Year? Get started today. Make sure you join me in the course, The Keys to Listing Leads, happening soon. You can either join me online live or you can catch the replay.